Hi, my name is Amrish. You're watching Gourmet at Home. Today, I will be preparing a dish which is coming from southern part of India. It is prepared from a chicken which is 65 days old. It is prepared from a chicken which is cooked with 65 different ingredients. It is prepared from a chicken which is cut into 65 different pieces. The dish was invented in year 1965. It was difficult for soldiers to announce the name of a dish which is against the serial number 65. Yes, today we will be making chicken 65. If you have any of your story, do share with us. Let's start preparing the recipe of chicken 65. The recipe of chicken 65 has got two parts. In the first part, we will marinate the chicken with some spices like chili powder, curry leaves, garam masala, coriander powder, and we'll fry it until crispy. In the second part, we'll toss the chicken with some green chili, curry leaves, garlic, and pepper powder. So let's marinate the chicken first. So for this recipe, I have taken the chicken thigh, which I have cut into approximately 1-inch cubes. First I will add some salt, half a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, then I will add half a teaspoon of South Indian garam masala. You can check the description for the recipe of garam masala. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, chopped curry leaves, red chili paste. Now this chili paste I have prepared from Kashmiri red chilies. I have de-seeded the chilies, soaked them in water for 2 hours. Then I have boiled the chilies in a water, discarded the water, and then blended it to a fine puree along with some water and some oil in it. 2 teaspoons of refined flour, 3 teaspoons of rice flour, some chopped coriander. Now at this stage we will mix all the ingredients. After the marinating the chicken for chicken 65, we will rest it for 30 minutes. There are different versions of chicken 65 that I have seen. In some places when they marinate the chicken, they add some yogurt along with spices. In some places they add tamarind. And after frying, when they toss the chicken with some sliced green chili, curry leaves, peppercorn and garlic. In some places they toss the chicken with spiced ketchup. In some places, they prepare a semi-dry version of chicken 65. But the recipe that I'm sharing with you today, I have learned it from a South Indian chef. His name is P. Ganeshan, one of the most talented and passionate chef that I have come across in my career. So for me, this is the recipe of chicken 65. The chicken is seasoned, so let's fry. So when you are frying the chicken, make sure you should not overcrowd the pot, and the temperature of the oil should be medium to hot. Now the second batch of chicken 65 is also fried. Coming to the second part of the recipe, where we will toss the chicken with some curry leaves, chili paste, green chili, garlic and some yogurt. I will add approximately 1.5 tablespoon of oil to the kadhai, and here the magic will happen for chicken 65. After the oil, I will add some dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, lots of curry leaves, green chili, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, at this stage, I will add the fried chicken, and now we will gently toss the chicken. To finish the chicken 65, I will add pepper powder, South Indian garam masala and chopped coriander. Long story short, this recipe of chicken 65 will not take much time to prepare in the kitchen, and we are ready to serve. Here I have got the rice papadum, chicken 65. Now I will finish the chicken 65 with lots of fried curry leaves, crushed red chili. Then I have got the classical banana fritters that I want to serve on the side. Some fresh coriander. This is my recipe of chicken 65, which I have learned from my mentor. Stories are to inspire, recipes are the guidelines, but if you connect with your ingredients, your traditions, it will bring you more close to your cooking style. Looking forward to see you again in our next episode of Gourmet at Home.